So we are underway, and a chance for whoever can come out on top today to take an early lead in Group C after Senegal, the defending champions, were held earlier today by Central African Republic. Well, this is a forceful run early on, and there's a very half-hearted claim for a penalty coming in from Joseph Opoku Amankwa. Hoka. At the other end, what can DR Congo do? Bundu swings it in. And it goes over everybody's head. Let's see if they can pull it off. Back to the edge of the box it goes, striker goal. With Ismail Addo. More likely to trouble the empty seats than the being excellent play from the Ghanaian to win it back. Sulemana picks it up. And now slows it down before looking into aiming for the direction of Mensah. Well, that's excellent play from Fenyan Dennis Marfo. Excellent determination to get back. Clean win as well. And he's launched the counter. Mensah on the left-hand side for Ghana. Into the middle it goes. And it comes to Opoku Amankwa. Twisting into the middle. And a striker goal and blocked. And the Congolese can clear their lines. And that's a hefty challenge coming in from Antwi. And a yellow card is coming his way. Crossing. Kamabundu. Inviting ball in. And guided in expertly as well by the Congolese skipper to give a side appearing at only their third championships ever. The lead against the four-time African champions. Scored by the Sampdoria man. One chance, one goal for the Congolese captain. And there was a devilish ball in from Messi Bubundu. And he was just 6 yards out, plenty of space. And he took that expertly well, Bentanda. And with their first shot of the game, the Congolese have the first goal of the game. It is DR Congo 1, Ghana 0. Here he is again, Marfo. That's really well played from him. Mensah. Men at the back for Ghana if they can find them. That's a stunning goal from the Ghanaians. Really expertly taken by Aziz. And the Congolese lead did not last for long. Good ball into the middle. And that was a super finish from Aziz. Not an easy chance by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just saying, keeping calm, but look at this. This is all about Marfo. He's clearly onside Mensah. And then the ball in. And look at that. Stuck a leg out on the volley, on the run. And the man with Dreams FC. Quite a dream finish. Inside the near post. Super delivery. And super strike as well, and Ghana are level. Now can Congo and Tanasi restore DR Congo's lead. That's overhit. Lukombe. And it has been a lively start. A reminder, in case you're joining us late, that on the corner by Aziz, and back in. The build-up was well put together. Across from the goal scorer. Anything but. Sulemana. Swings it in, flicks it on, and it's going to be comfortable for 2-2. The effort from Aziz. He was also a key man against Ghana in the African Games last year. Plays his football in Spain. In the third tier with CD Lugo on loan from a side in Saudi Arabia. And he could well be the man who could start converting some of these chances into goals and possible points for the Ghanaians. Soko. Nice skills from him, leaves his opponent Aziz on the floor. Cheers from the Congolese fans. He skipping past to Furi. And Furi, when he put a hand on the shoulder, Matobo thinks he was fouled. Ghana trying to play this out from the back. Aziz, Sulemana needs to let it go, but he didn't, and he allowed a Hockey to get a toe in. It was a promising move from Ghana. Just held up a little bit too long in the middle by Sulemana. Talasi. And Tanda, who got the Congolese goal after 60 minutes. Matobo. Bodies in the box for DRC. Soko into the middle. And Tanda. And he looked as though he was lining it up, thought better of it. And now it's Ghana's turn to be direct. Well, that's surely handball from Afriye. Now playing on for now. And you can see the arms up from Kalonji, saying that surely hit the Ghanaian substitute's hand. Nonetheless, it's still a Ghanaian move. This time a hawker is beaten. And Kalonji says we're not having that. And he's won the foul as well. And they will obviously be keen to continue that streak here. So can they make the most of a rare corner? Pushing and shoving, and the referee keeping his eyes open. Sulemana swings it in. And that just is headed harmlessly behind by Afriye. I did mention the fact he played for Ghana.